Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this logo. They want to print it out on some reflective material and they want the white not to be there, so the reflective material. I've done several videos like this, but this one's a little bit different, so I thought I'd show him. I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus key on the keyboard and move it over maybe another time. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to trace the bitmap, outline trace, clip art. Clip art is what I use 99% of the time. It's a pretty clean logo and it's taken a little bit of more time than I would think. So if you'll just 38%. I'm not going to change any of the detail or smoothing or corner smoothing. I'm just going to let it do it. Corel does not normally trace text good, but it traces this good. And I don't know what's taking so long. It's funny how it just all of a sudden will just hit and be done. Now the image looks like it's gone, but we're going to grab the image and you see what we get. I'm going to go ahead and extend a yellow box over. I'm going to go ahead and move this one over again. So we have all the white. What I want to do is select it all and put no fill and an outline. And then anything we want black, let me extend the yellow box out a little bit more. And if you notice, this is a certain size box, so I'm going to leave it that size. And I'm going to draw a rectangle around it. And I'm going to go to a bitmap and I'm going to trace it or fill it in. And there's our outline. I'm going to go ahead and let's put it up out of the way because I actually need the inside part. So now we can move it down and that's exactly what we want. I'm going to go to Object, Order, Back a Page. But the yellow now is in front, so we're going to take the yellow, go to Object, Order, Back a Page, and you, well, I guess it's because my lines are white. So what we're going to do is we're going to move that down. I must have moved the whole thing, so I'm going to grab just the corner. There we go. And really, I didn't want that filled in. I want to take that and left click, right click to get an outline. Now all we have to do is fill in the parts that we want to be black. So if we hit the black and hit this part, there's what we want. Now we do have to do the center of the letters. Smart Fill tool, fill that in, fill that in, fill that in, fill that in. And then up here at the golf ball, we have something to look at. We want this part not to be, we want it to be transparent. So we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in that. And then the little bitty other part. It's a really good graphic of a golf ball. Now, what I would suggest to do is take it all and right click, no outline. That way it'll just be colors and, well, the outline shouldn't be there. Let's do this. Let's move this out of the way. Let's move our black out of the way because that's our Smart Fill. So what we can do now is move all the little parts over and that will leave the lines. I'm double clicking to get it all the way over there. And then we'll do the golf ball and then do the inner part. And you don't have to remove the lines. Sometimes you get a little bit smoother engraving. And I think he's printing it. So if we look, it is an RGB color. When he does it, he needs to do it in CMYK, I think. Because this original artwork, if we take the eyedropper tool, you can see it, well, that's an RGB. So regardless, depending on how he wants to print it. But if you can see now, we have everything in white is now yellow, which indicates it's there's nothing there, it's transparent. So just the black will print and everything else will be the reflective material. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.